Well, I didn't go to that many stores, but I seen it at dollar store. I was like, oh, I want to try these, so let me try them and see, get my little opinion or whatever. So let's go ahead and try this, because I know I'll be having y'all waiting forever. I swear I do, but I don't know why it takes me so long. Okay, yeah. Oh, I like Oreo. They smell like, look at this one. Okay, here they go. It's a little, I don't know if it's melted or not, but here it is. How cute. It smells like Oreo, but it also smells like cookies and cream ice cream, like something like that, but not really. You know what? Okay, y'all. Let's try it. Okay. Yep. These remind me of the you know, the little cupcakes, the hostess